Hello everybody, this is an Anthony Creme video, and today we are going to be replacing the screen on this Acer Chromebook. As you can see, it works, other than it being super dim. As you can see, the Chrome logo just barely. So I'm gonna unbox, or open the package for the screen. Not expecting too much. I know it's a screen. Oh, there it is. So now we got that, we should start taking apart the Chromebook. Okay. I'm trying to keep all the screws organized so that I know exactly what hole they came from. And that one won't come out. That one won't come out. Some of these look like they're already loosened a little bit. And the warranty void seal is broken. As you can see, the screws popping through this, which means that somebody has unscrewed it. I don't know if they went inside the Chromebook per se, but they definitely took that screw out at least. Or maybe they just broke the seal because they didn't want warranty, but I find that hard to believe. See, feels the exact same as all the rest. I don't know. Maybe somebody's been in here before. Okay. I'm gonna screw in these two so that they don't fall out, but I'm gonna flip over the Chromebook so that I can get those bottom two out. There we go. So now let's just... Oh, that one came out with it. Good job. Also, something I noticed is this one that I'm taking out right now looks really stripped. So I'm almost certain somebody's at least been in here before. I don't know what they did, but they've been in there. There you go. Can you guys still see? Yeah. This is probably going to be my longest video, but that's fine. I, for some reason, haven't gotten the S5 screen yet. I was kind of hoping I could get it soon so that I can make a video fixing it, because the back panel, the case, and the except for the screen protector and screen, everything is here ready for it to be assembled. Okay. So now, oops, sorry. Now we got all the screws out. I need something thin to fit in between it. Oh, damn. I got it open and it just closed immediately. There we go. I should be able to get the back panel off pretty easily now. There we go. And now I need something plastic to disconnect the battery just in case, because I don't want to short anything out. There we go. Now there's no battery power. So let's take, actually I don't think we need to do that. I just need to remember that the white goes to the top. And there's a screen ribbon cable, or whatever kind of cable it is. Okay, so it wraps around the fan. Okay, so just to be safe, I'm going to, when I take these screws out, I'm going to put them into the replacement screen. I mean, it's also used, but that's fine. They said it was working, and they showed photos of it working when I got it, so I know it works. If it is also dim, then it is most likely board level repair, and I can't do that, at least not yet. Oh, I dropped the screw. Don't come back. Don't lose screws. That's a bad idea. I'm wondering if... Oh, that one went missing. I'm wondering if this screw and this screw are not here on any others. There it is. Because it's not here on mine. There we go. So now... Oh, there we go. Now just take the cable out. I'm going to disconnect this cable real quick just to get it out of the way. There we go. Push that over there. Let me look at the new one to see if there's like anything fancy that needs to be done. It doesn't look like it. Okay. There we go. So now the screen should pop right out. Oh, the cable, there's a long cable on this side. Oh, I get it. It fishes underneath the motherboard. So I'm probably going to have to take that out so I can fish it through. But there we go. Here's the old screen. I'm actually going to take out the motherboard just to make sure I get the cable underneath the right part. So oh, it's connected right here. last one should pop out now. Being held in by this one, I think. Yep, there we go. Oh, and the cable right there. There we go. Okay, and all the screws are still in it, so I can keep them organized. There's a screw right over here. I'll just leave that off to the side. And there is one more somewhere. There it is, it's hiding underneath this. So I think I can just get it out from here like that. Okay. And I'm wondering if I need to take this out. I think I can fit shit through there. So put the screen right there like that. Take the two screws out that are on the left side. Take the two screws out that are on the right side. Now set this into place.